Americans are quickly building wealth in 2025, not through luck, but through smarter money habits. While most people are struggling with inflation and rising costs, a small group is getting richer every single month. The difference? They follow three money moves that actually work. The truth is, income isn't the problem anymore. The real issue is what happens after you get paid. 70% of Americans are still living paycheck to paycheck, even those are earning over $100,000 a year. Why? Because the more they earn, the more they spend. The first money move control lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, your spending shouldn't rise at the same speed. Rich people don't increase their lifestyle. Every time they earn more, they increase their asset. The second rule every millionaire lives by: pay yourself. First, before paying bills, rent or Netflix, pay your future self. Save or invest 10% to 20% of your income the moment you get it. Third move, automation through fintech apps like Ali, Sophie, and Robinhood are helping Americans automate their investing and budgeting. The rest don't really will forward the bill systems. Money management isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about getting smarter every month. Millionaires play the long game. 5, 10, 20 years of small smart moves. You can start today with $50. Here's your simple plan to start building wealth in 2025. Number 1. Set up an auto transfer from checking to investing account. Number 2. Follow the 50-30-20 budget rule. Number 3. Take your net worth monthly, not your expenses. You will see progress faster than you think. The way Americans getting rich has changed, not through luck, but through system. You don't need to earn more, you need to manage better. Start today, pay yourself fast, automate your wealth, and your future self will thank you.